In this video, we will see how we can fill the PDF forms without taking the printout, and also how we can add the signature to our PDF forms. For an example, this is one of the PDF form, and I have to fill the personal information, and in this PDF form I have to also add the signature. So the first thing is that you have to open this PDF. And to do this, I will right click and go to this open with. So you can see there are two softwares which actually deals well with PDF. This is a PDF reader, and another one is the Adobe Acrobat. So in our case, always use this Adobe Acrobat. And if you don't have this software, you have to install the Adobe Acrobat from the Adobe side. I have also provided the link in the description. Now let's open this file with the help of the Adobe Acrobat, and you can see file has been opened. This form is in basically in the German, and you can see there are many information that need to be filled here. So in general, we used to take the printout and then fill the forms, and finally there is a date and a signature section is there, and finally after that we used to scan it. But in this method, you don't need to take the printout. To fill this form, you can see there is something called all tools. And if you come down, go to this view more. So there is something called fill and sign. So click on this fill and sign, and you can see this tool is now opened. Now, in order to fill the form, so these are the different selection we have. So currently, you see fill the forms filled. So this is selected. That's why it is in blue. Okay, so for an example, name and one name. So I will fill here the name as PA Parkman, comma David. So this field. So now I will go to this address part. So I will click on this, and then I will give here the address as London 12345 Street. Next, some telephone number. It is there. So I will mention the telephone number here. This is the telephone number. See here as a small a, and then it's a bigger A. So if you click on this bigger A, the whole stuff will become bigger. And if you click the smaller one, so accordingly you can adjust the size. For an example, if you want to have the information which takes a lot of place, then you can reduce the size and you can keep on writing as per your. So similarly, email address, click on this email address and just write .com. So in this manner, you can fill all the fields. In the forms, there are some section which deals with the tick sign you have to give. So that also option is also present. So if you go to this A, that blue highlighted A part, and just click on this, then it is showing like, okay, these are the symbols that you can use. For an example, I want to make this one as a check mark here. So I will just put it like this. And if I want to decrease the size, you can decrease. Okay, so you want to increase it, you can increase it like this. So I want to use the cross sign here. I will put it, it is something like this, and I will decrease the size like this or increase the size as per your choice. Okay, so this is how you can use the tick marks in the form. And but I will tell you one very another simple method to do the tick mark. So what you have to do is you go here and click on this text and write here capital X. Okay, and then just move this. Now to make it more aligned, you can zoom the page and then you can just increase or decrease the size as per your choice. So like this. So I leave this to you. Whichever method you want to use, you can use that. But this is the way you can do this tick mark in the forms. Now next is to add the signature here. To add a signature, you can see something called here add signature. In the plus sign, you click on this. There are various methods where through which you can add the signature. If you have the digital pen, you can just draw it. But I will use the image method. So for this, what I have done that in the plain paper, I have done the signature and then I have taken the picture of that signature and and that signature is saved here as a signature sample. So in the image, now you select the image and go to the folder where the signature is kept. So click on this and just press the apply. So that signature has came here and it is already selected now. So I will just simply put it here and to make in the inline, I will just adjust it accordingly. And this is how the signature is also now put in the form. So friends, this is how you can fill this form and you can add the signature. Now this is a ready form now, and there is no need to take the printout. Simply you can save it and you can send it to the concerned person. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.